हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू FPL गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित एंड मनन, वी आर बैक वंस अगेन बिकॉज वी विल नॉट मिस अ सिंगल डेडलाइन और अ गेम वीक दिस सीजन। सो वी विल बी प्रीव्यूइंग गेम वीक 26 जिसका डेडलाइन दोस्तों इज ट्यूसडे नाइट, आई थिंक
Yeah.
अराउंड 11:30 PM। सो अगर आप आज सुन रहे हैं मंडे को या ट्यूसडे को, ट्यूसडे नाइट 11:30 PM आई थिंक इज द डेडलाइन। सो वेरी वेरी शॉर्ट टर्न अराउंड मनन। नॉर्मल बकचोदी का वहाँ पर टाइम इतना है नहीं, बट
Mm,
दो रीजन है फॉर यू टू बी हैप्पी। फर्स्टली यूर द टॉप स्कोरर दिस वीक, बट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली भाटिया साहब नहीं है स्पॉट पे, विच इज
तो
ऑलवेज अ गुड थिंग।
so what I have seen is वो तभी आते हैं जब वो टॉप स्कोरर होते हैं या जॉइंट टॉप
या
स्कोरर होते हैं. I've noticed
या
that. So people in the comments can tell me if that's the right thing to do or not. But एक और reason है कि this pod is special, obviously because Bhatia is on here, also because it's the first double game week of the season. It's the first double game week of the
हाँ,
season.
यस
We
यस।
all we all will that will discuss, but please telegram channel को join करो, इस वीडियो को like करो, subscribe करो to the channel and drop a comment as well. Yeah.
या आई थिंक टेलीग्राम इज अ गुड स्पेस जहाँ पे आपस में इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं लोग। काफ़ी अच्छे अच्छे
Yeah.
स्कोर्स आए हैं, काफ़ी एडवाइस एक दूसरे को लोग देते हैं
फार्मर
एंड आई लाइक दैट
कैप्टेंसी थे
बिकॉज
बहुत सारे.
हमसे क्यों
हाँ.
एडवाइस लेना है? लाइक समवन
Yeah.
लाइक मेरे से क्यों एडवाइस को लेगा? तो आपस में अच्छे जो आप इलीट सब मैनेजर हो, आपस में एडवाइस अपने आप से लो।
चोपड़ा से ऐसा मतलब
टेलीग्राम
आप
चैनल
पूरे
ज्वाइन करो।
0.1 मिलियन रैंक में राइस किए हो. You are finally out of 3.7 million. Come on.
Woo! Thank you, Erling Haaland. Anyways, we'll get to that. Let's talk
Let's
about
move on.
your
Yeah.
team. You should be pretty pleased with your team, Anand, this week. 76 points, and your Palace boy delivered. You must be very
Yeah, I
happy about
think I brought in Rice, Sar, both delivered. Rice, ठीक है. Again, I'm not expecting a lot. He should just take along. बहुत time नहीं लूंगा. I think two players I need to address are Morgan Rogers. What a guy, man! Like he'll continue to do well. People continue to ignore him. Thanks to you, I brought him in. You gave me the confidence. You were my Villa person that
it.
suggested कि Rogers is still good. He looks fine every match. Another player is actually Rakshit. This could have been huge because Tarkovsky missed a very, very, very good chance. It was a big chance, and Enzo, he had almost 1 का XGI. He should have had an assist at least. तो बहुत बड़ा स्कोर हो सकता था, but nonetheless, I'm really, really, really happy about it and very happy with my team.
Yeah,
And
good
Bruno captain.
transfers. Good
Yeah.
gave you a good bump. Like अगर आप your team before the transfer, after transfer, so it feels nice अगर instantly आपके
Yeah,
transfers pay
return मिल
off.
जाता है. Yeah.
Yeah. भाटी साहब got 74 points. Again बहुत significant difference नहीं आ रहा टीम्स में, but ठीक है, मे बी डबल गेम वीक में आएगा, बट बिकॉज वी हैव द सेम प्लेयर एसेंशियली। जैसे आपके पास
Yeah.
सार, उनके पास एम्बुएमो है। गुड गोल, वेल टेकन। आई वुड से यूनाइटेड वर हेल्प्ड बाय द रेड कार्ड ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज स्पर्स ने अच्छा स्टार्ट किया था। इट कुड हैव बीन अ ट्रिकी मैच, बट टॉटनहम हैव देमसेल्व्स टू ब्लेम। उनकी बात करेंगे आगे। बाकी तो मनन, ब्रूनो कैप्टन, फिर राइस, फिर एंजो, फिर रॉजर्स, थियागो, हालैंड, टारकोव्स्की,
Two players
गैब्रियल,
का difference है.
दुब्रावका
There's just two players
एंड
difference
चालोबा
in
है
my
बस।
in mine and Bhatia
टिम्बर
साहब की team.
टिम्बर के 2 पॉइंट
Timber
ज़्यादा हैं, दैट्स इट।
yeah, Chaluba
दैट्स
sir.
इट,
That's it.
दैट्स द डिफरेंस।
Yeah.
ओके, नथिंग मोर टू ऐड। माथियस नूनेस को उन्होंने बेंच किया, सो 5 पॉइंट्स। ही शुड नो माथियस नूनेस का पोटेंशियल, सो
मतलब why
या
does he even doubt him? Yeah.
maybe he was lured by your nil-nil of Fulham and Everton. That's why he played Tarkovsky over Nunes. But
Well, he did not get def cons,
almost a
so
nil-nil, almost. Look
almost
at the
yeah,
fucking
yeah,
data from that match. Almost
yeah,
5 ka XG overall. Great
yeah.
call, by
But
the way, seriously.
I don't think both teams deserved any goals. So let's move on.
You definitely don't deserve that 10,000 rupees, which I promised you.
Yeah, you're not giving me that
Yeah.
now.
So Manan, my game week was going well up till the final match के 80 minutes, जब लिवरपूल 1-0 जीत रही थी। एंड उसके उस पॉइंट तक हम बात करेंगे, उसके बाद पॉइंट बात नहीं करेंगे। बट माय टू ट्रांसफर्स वर Ekitike इन फॉर हालैंड एंड डैनियल मुनियोज इन फॉर निको राइली। Happy with Munoz because one off a DEFCON as always, story of my season. So 7 पॉइंट वहाँ आ सकते थे, plus got a stupid yellow card. It created lot of chances. Stan Larson ने एक sitter miss किया, जो could have been an assist and full bonus. But really happy to have Munoz in my team. Like I love this player, Manan, and they have Leeds and the Burnley Wolves at home, and I think it's a consensus these two are the worst teams in the league. So really happy to have him. उसके बाद भी अगर आप देखोगे, Manan, they have like United and Spurs etc, which are not bad matches for someone like Munoz. Happy to play Vicario over Dubravka, especially after the red card. Made a lot of saves, 8 saves in fact. एक और होता 9 हो
Yeah.
जाता, और could have been like a 4-pointer, which is huge from him. Double clean sheet from Arsenal. ऐसा नहीं बोलूंगा never in doubt because Sunderland did play well, but ठीक है, Arsenal doing Arsenal things.
That's too
Rice picked
comfortable.
up Defcons. Rice का वही है देखो कि Defcon उठा लिए और clean sheet आ गई, तो that's like a 5-point return. Morgan Rogers, I have no doubts. You can have doubts about Villa. I have doubts about Villa, but I feel कि they are a top 5-6 team, Manan, and they will
Yeah.
not like lose every match. People forget कि एकदम team अच्छी या खराब नहीं होती है. So I think they will continue to do okay, maybe like a win, draw, loss till the end of the season. But who is the main man? It is Morgan Rogers, right? Bruno Fernandes, goal, happy with the captaincy. Concern for my team, I would say biggest is NDI for me. Primarily because he did not look good. Data is not good. Dewsbury Hall is the main man right now
Main
for
man,
Everton.
yeah.
And इस sort of match में where he has played like teams like Fuller and Brighton, which जो especially अपने home पे थी मनानी, and you expect कि counter पे in this sort of matches NDI will be a weapon, has not been very very good. Shots नहीं ले रहा है, box penetration इतना नहीं है, chances भी create नहीं कर रहा है. Defcons उस level तक नहीं आ रहे हैं, like 2-2 3-3 off type हो रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है, तो वो भी hit नहीं कर रहा है. Defcon चाहिए हो तो मैं वैसे ही कोई और player ले लूँ. तो I think I have a strategy, but I'll probably give him one more week and then assess. मुझे लगता है कि
Yeah.
एक वीक और देना बनता है. उसके बाद I'll see what to do. But let's see how it goes. Thiago, happy to start him because I had a feeling कि Brentford इस मैच में जीत सकती है because of Newcastle's issues, because of Newcastle का midweek exertions, and they were bad, man. Newcastle and Brentford were brilliant. One and back-to-back wins away from home against Villa and Newcastle. That's
And yeah,
brilliant.
who thought, bro?
Next up, Arsenal. Let's see what they can do.
Yeah.
Bowen, Manan, it one of those days where उसको सेंट्रल फिगर नहीं बनना पड़ा. They were 2-0 up against Burnley. Somerville did well. Matias Fernandes, Castellanos, Diouf. So ना बोवन को डेफकॉन्स पे कुछ फोकस करना पड़ा, ना उसे चांस क्रिएशन में. क्रूज कंट्रोल था फॉर समवन लाइक वेस्ट हैम. इट इज फाइन. आई थिंक इट्स वन ऑफ दोज मैचेस जहाँ पे बोवन वाज लाइक फाइन, राइट विंग खेल रहा था, रिमेन्ड इन शेप. Absolutely no concerns over him longer term because he has been done really well, but just one of those weeks where you expect कि अच्छा करेगा. वो ये ना, West Ham are a team who are not used to being 2-0 up in certain matches.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
if they
Too
are
early they
Burnley
scored.
against,
Too early.
yeah,
Yeah.
both. तो उसके बाद बहुत कंजर्वेटिवली खेल रहे थे एंड बोवन ने कुछ खास किया नहीं, बट अगेन एब्सोल्युटली नो प्रॉब्लम. Ekitike is it's a long-term move, but it was so frustrating for me as a guy who sold Haaland for Ekitike, man, because Ekitike should have scored twice. He had one insane chance.
Brilliant
He had another
chance,
shot
yeah.
inside the box. On another day, he could have easily scored a brace. No concerns over him. Just got him in. One of those matches. A stupid mistake by Alisson to gift
Alisson.
a penalty to Haaland.
Yeah.
A header, डिफेंसिव लैप्स जिसकी वजह से बर्नार्डो सिल्वा स्कोर्ड द गोल, जिसकी वजह से हालैंड ने किया. ठीक है, इट्स ओके. एट माय रैंक आई हैव टू टेक दिस रिस्क. एब्सोल्युटली नो कंसर्न्स अबाउट इट. In this match it backfired, and to be honest, a lot of people did not see that comeback coming.
Yeah.
Liverpool are 1-0 up at Anfield in the last 10 minutes. So fair play to City and fair play to Haaland. But yeah, there's a reason why a lot of us went for Bruno captain this week.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Also, how I look at it is कि this move enabled me to get Munoz. Otherwise, मेरी टीम में थियाओ खेलता. तो again, it's a long term move, but instantly भी 4-5 पॉइंट तो वहाँ से आए हैं. With Defcon 6-7 पॉइंट हो सकते थे. No concerns. हाँ, आगे फोकस करेंगे बनन, बिकॉज ज़्यादा टाइम हमारे पास है नहीं. हमारे पास रॉब टी का प्रोजेक्शंस नहीं है, so you have projections from somewhere else. We will talk about our Arsenal, what we plan to do with triple captaincy. अगर हम यूज कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे हैं, किस पे कर रहे हैं. Let's focus on the matchups this week, Manan. So let's start with Arsenal first.
Yeah.
Now the thing is कि lot of people already have minimum 2, and a lot of people have 3 also, right? So
Yeah.
Timber, Raya, Gabriel, Rice में से कोई कॉम्बो में लोगों के पास 2-3 प्लेयर है. तो मेरा आपसे बस ये सवाल है, लुकिंग एट द प्रोजेक्शन या फिक्सचर या जो भी आप कह लो, कि should people try to take punts outside these 4 players, or do you think these 4 are the ones to go for? Because Gyökeres is now scoring goals, right? He's a good differential for this sort of matches. If you want to take a punt on, let's say, some other Arsenal defender, maybe अगर आपको हिनकापिए टाइप के प्लेयर पे जाना है, आप जा सकते हैं. It's a risk. If you want to go for, let's say, Zubimendi, who's done really well, maybe like an Eze जिस पे punt लेना है, maybe Martinelli or Trossard. If you want to go there, Madueke का मैंने mention सुना है because Saka is not there. और मेरे हिसाब से
Yeah.
तो बिगेस्ट पंट अगर आप ले सकते हो इज प्रॉब्ली ग्योकरेस. सो
That's
व्हाट
the
इज योर
that's
टेक
the
ऑन दिस?
only. Yeah, I agree with you. The only other player outside those four is Gyökeres, because I have a feeling he'll start both matches, because midweek में उनका कप गेम है, where जहाँ पे I think Gabriel Jesus start कर सकता है, Havertz start कर सकता है. Gyökeres has looked good. He's getting at the end of the chances. साका भी नहीं है. I think काफी सारी chances उसको मिल रही है to finish in the box. So I just feel like he's the only one at point. But you also have to think कि it's not just double, right? आपको Gyökeres को आपको 27, 28, 29 में भी carry करना है, until unless you are bringing him in and transferring him out after one game week. So that's where I like a Rice. That's where obviously Gabriel. That's where I like a Timber or a Raya. You आप उनको bench पे hide कर सकते हो. Like Gyökeres जैसे player को आप hide नहीं कर सकते. That's where I would not like to go for a punt. I think Gabriel first, Rice second, and third you can go with Timber or Raya, whoever you like. But that's my preference. And Gyökeres is the only punt I'll consider. Madueke, even despite Saka, Madueke got subbed off quite early, right? So Kala Fury got subbed off quite early. So I don't think there are, and Zubimendi personally I don't like as a pick. You can't predict his hauls. So I just feel those four are the only options.
Yeah, whatever you do, I don't mind if you go for Gyökeres, but I think double defense is the way to go.
I agree.
If not triple, double minimum,
Yeah.
right? Because I think एक क्लीन शीट तो मनन आनी ही चाहिए, एक से दो आएंगी मेरे ख्याल से. कभी कभी अनएक्सपेक्टेड चीज़ होती है एफपीएल में. यू मे सी अ क्लीन शीट अगेंस्ट ब्रेंटफोर्ड एंड नॉट अगेंस्ट वुल्व्स, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो.
Yeah.
वुल्व्स डिड स्कोर अगेंस्ट आर्सेनल एट द एमिरेट्स, याद रखना आप लोग. सो हो सकता है, बट आर्सेनल द वे दे हैव बीन डिफेंडिंग मनन दिस सीजन, द डेटा, द क्लीन शीट्स, द एक्सजीसी, इट ऑल पॉइंट्स टू, मतलब एनीवेज इफ यू से यू विल से कि हाँ यार 2 मैचेस में एक क्लीन शीट तो एनीवेज आई आर्सेनल की बैक टू बैक मैचेस में. दे आर दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ टीम. सो डबल गेम
Yeah.
वीक में दैट्स द पॉइंट कि एक क्लीन शीट आनी चाहिए. उसके अलावा आपको अगर पंट लेना है, यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर Gyökeres. राइस इज डेफिनेटली नॉट अ मस्ट हैव, बट अगर आपके पास है आप रखोगे. अगर आपको लाना है आप ला भी सकते हो. इज अ गुड सेफ ऑप्शन टू गो फॉर. बट
Yeah.
व्हाट आई लव द मोस्ट इज इफ पीपल हैव ट्रिपल डिफेंस, बिकॉज आई थिंक 2 क्लीन शीट आ सकती है. सो इफ यू
Yeah.
हैव अ राया, टिम्बर एंड Gabriel, and if you plan to use a triple captaincy on Gabriel, I think you're going all in. That's the strategy I like the most.
And I think that's the way to go. I think that's the
Yeah,
way to go, personally. I'd
exactly.
prefer a
Especially when
triple
all the
defense
keepers
over
fucking up.
Rice. Yeah, again,
Yeah.
and Raya continues to do well, man. Again, and clean sheets Arsenal रखती रहे. Again, 31 blank में you can easily play Dubravka in place, या आपका other keeper जो भी होगा. So it's easier to hide him as well. So I just personally like, even if you go for Saliba, man, he got defcons, I think, in this match. He's also fine, but it's just then you'll have to take him out because 3 Arsenal defenders are a lot.
Yeah.
But after 27, 28, 29, I wouldn't want 3 Arsenal defenders personally. Yeah. That's the only concern.
Let's talk about some other teams. City are projected to score most number of goals after Arsenal in the double. So single game week hota City hoti.
Yeah.
Would you essentially agree with this, considering Fulham who can make things tricky? Obviously, City scored 5 goals against them.
I think that's,
but they're a tricky team.
I'm surprised to see these odds like a pretty.
Yeah,
but that's the thing. Fulham, they are not. When I watch Fulham, I don't feel like they're defense first now. They are personally. उनका थोड़ा सा I feel tactics थोड़ी change हुई है. I think थोड़ा सा attacking football खेल रहे हैं. मुझे नहीं लगता है वो defense first है. Maybe that's where sort of these odds come into it. But I'm surprised. I would have projected it at around 2.1, maybe 2.2, around that. But I think वो जो इनका दूसरा away fixture था जब City ने 5 गोल में, I think that's थोड़ा सा taking into account at that as well.
Yeah. City have been creating chances, but again they could not finish in the first half. Second half में काफी opportunistic goals थे. So हर week narrative change होता है हमारा. हमें लगता है एक week की Arsenal run away with the league, एक week हमें लगता है कि नहीं यार City are back and Arsenal को Arsenal will bottle it in the end. और फिर उसके next week लगता है Arsenal running away with the league, Arsenal will draw a match, again City will win, then Arsenal will win, City will drop points. This will continue to go on till the end of the season, I feel.
That's just because it has happened in the past, right? I mean, last season ही बात कर लो. If this was the opposite around, right? If City were in 6 points lead, you would all be comfortable predicting City. So it's just
But they're not, yeah.
Yeah, they're not
It's a
exactly.
big.
So
The thing is कि if you just go look at the form, right? तो आप form जाके देखो सिटी और आर्सेनल का, you will
yeah,
roughly see कि उन दोनों का same form चल रहा है by the way. Last 10 game week
true,
kind of से
true, true.
कि you go look at the last 5 matches, I think they have 2 wins each out of 5.
Yeah,
This is
two wins
insane.
each,
Yeah,
and two draws,
each.
something like this.
And
That,
one
yeah,
loss or something like
and one
that.
loss.
Exactly. So
Yes.
दोनों teams ने flaws दिखाए हैं, inconsistencies हैं. That's why I feel कि eventually personally मुझे लगता है Arsenal may I think will win the league, but
Yeah.
City will be on their tails for a long time. Both
I
teams
mean,
are like flawed in a way.
I mean, they've both faced each other at 35, but I don't know if it will matter. That fixture will matter personally. I think it will be over before that, and that is
So
where it also comes into point of double game week because we don't know उस time क्या होगा, लीग
exactly.
ओवर हो चुकी होगी, टीम्स कितना सीरियसली लेगी, अगर वो सब यूरोप में है तो there might be a point जहाँ पे सिटी यूरोप को सीरियसली ले रही होगी, right? So there's a lot of things that you have to think about.
मेरे ख्याल से बहुत लोगों ने सोशल मीडिया पॉइंट आउट किया है बट द पिविटल पॉइंट मनन इज पॉइंट ऑफ द सीजन मेरे हिसाब से आएगा काराबाओ कप फाइनल में. वहां पे
Yeah,
मेंटालिटी बहुत चेंज होगी. लेट्स
true.
से आर्सेनल बीट सिटी इन द काराबाओ कप फाइनल. I think they will go on to win the league comfortably from there,
Probably,
right? They
yeah.
will inflict a mental blow on City. If City beat Arsenal, and let's say they are still like 6 points behind, City are beating Arsenal, Carabao Cup mein, they win the trophy, and because of that confidence, they go on to beat Arsenal at Etihad. It's down to
Etihad,
like
then
3
that
points.
the 3
वहां पे
points, yeah.
स्टोरी चेंज सकती है. मेरे ख्याल
Yeah.
से 31 Carabao Cup final जो है, that could be the turning point in the Premier League title race also. So
To be seen.
let's see what
Interesting.
happens, but
Yeah.
but definitely these two are the best teams, or these two are the only title contenders now. Villa are, I think, safe to say they're out now.
Yeah, 100%, 100%. I think it's what 9 points difference now, something around that. So I don't think. But let's talk about a little more of the other teams. I just feel like this
Yeah.
is gonna be high scoring because I see this fix. I see the top 5 teams, and I feel like I have attacker from every of those teams, right? And like that makes me
I
feel
would
good
disagree
about
with you. I'll tell you why I disagree with you. I'll tell you why I
yeah,
disagree with you. Matlab, I think it'll be fine, but Chelsea have leads, okay, at home. I have not been very convinced by Chelsea. Again,
yeah.
matlab, Wolves wala, matlab, what the fuck were those 2 penalties,
2
by the way?
penalties. Yeah, it
Yeah.
totally Palmer
Clean sheet
Hall.
wise बात करो, they have 1 in 10 or something. Leeds
Yeah.
are good. Leeds are not as bad as Burnley or Wolves.
I agree.
I think Leeds will put up a fight at Stamford Bridge. West Ham will put up a fight against United because they are also playing well. I think this is not going to be like a very straightforward match against Nuno's West Ham. Liverpool, Sunderland Sunderland
No,
unbeaten at home. It's gonna be a tough match.
I don't agree with those odds, by the way. Like, okay, it's
Yeah.
any which ways less odds, but I'll be very honest. I'm expecting Sunderland to win that match personally.
Maybe. I'm not expecting him to lose for sure, especially with
Yeah.
no Soboslai. Right?
Yeah,
It's a
exactly.
big miss for them.
It's a huge miss.
So actually अगर आप देखो ये बड़ी टीम्स में with quick turnaround, Mbeumo fit है नहीं है, I don't know. Do you just expect United to go and thrash West Ham? I don't.
No.
Do you expect Liverpool to go and win away at Sunderland? I don't. Do you expect Chelsea to thrash Leeds at home? I don't. I see that as a 2-1 sort of a match.
Yeah, so
Then you look at
that's
Man
where
City, Fulham, and
I expect Chelsea's, United, and Palace to score 2 goals. That's where I meant I have attacker from all of them. Like at least like United, I won't be.
you expect United, Chelsea,
Yeah.
etc. to score 2 anyways in every sort of match,
true,
right?
true. Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Even Tottenham against everyone expected United to score 2-3 goals. You expected Chelsea to score 2-3 goals against Wolves also. I'm saying इतना एक तो midweek है और इतना straightforward नहीं है जितने let's say इस weekend matches थे.
Yeah, true.
Right? Palace, yes. Burnley at home. It's a great match to enter into some Palace. I would say don't look at that 31 blank and whatever. Just you will miss out on the points जो अभी आपके सामने. And you look at the fixtures, Manan, you have Burnley and Wolves at home back to back. It just cannot get better, right? And weekend where they have FA Cup. I'm not sure if they're in the cup or not, but they'll rotate.
Yeah.
उसके बाद भी I think मुझे लगता and they played well against Brighton, monkeys off the back. I'm happy Manan कि me and you got on the Palace bandwagon थोड़ा पहले ही हमें थोड़े returns मिल गए, but I think they will continue to do well.
They don't have a cup match. They're out already. They have a.
Yeah, so it's even better.
It's a huge break for them. Yeah.
It's even better. But those back to back matches against Burnley and Wolves at home with a break in.
No, but they have a Europa Conference League playoff match between the Burnley
उसके
and
बाद
Wolves.
होगा.
Between Burnley and Wolves, yeah, 19th Feb, yeah.
Because that is weekend.
Yeah, that is weekend. Yeah,
Playoff
Thursday.
match. Fine, that's
Yeah,
fine. I think they'll manage, yeah.
yeah, but that's not a difficult one, so it's
Yeah,
easier.
exactly. Anything else you want to see? You want to say about any other team? Something about Newcastle or Spurs or Aston Villa or something?
So one thing is, I would not go any Wolves player. Probably again, it's an avoid. Go आगे भी उनके fixtures इतने अच्छे नहीं, तो I wouldn't want you to waste a transfer on a Wolves player personally. I would not go for a Mane. I would not go for any midfielder, Wolves ka, or any defender. Even if you are chasing DEFCON points, I don't think it's worth it. A transfer in and then a transfer out, because Wolves will also blank in 31. Other than that, if we focus on the clean sheet odds, it's pretty what you'll expect. Palace are there, Forest are there. Forest again, I think it's a good match for a clean sheet for Nottingham Forest. Wolves at home. Uske alawa, City, Chelsea, I'm personally not expecting. Liverpool, not expecting clean sheets for them. It's fine you play the defenders, but I am not expecting a clean sheet from all of these teams. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I think अगर आप free hit पे हैं, I would go for triple Arsenal defense, one way or the other.
And Munoz and Richards.
And
I'll go five
and Manuel,
defense. I'll go
probably.
five defenders
Lacroix,
by
man,
that.
Lacroix.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
fucking crazy.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's go to the teams. Bhatia साहब की team है. He has. Did he have Raya? पहले नहीं ना? He just got in
No, he
Raya,
brought
right?
in Raya. He just brought in
Yeah.
Raya. Yeah.
Yeah, so Bhatia Saab has gotten double Arsenal defense now. Raya is there with Gabriel triple captaincy. One I can see. Tarkovsky is there. Bournemouth at home. Chalobah is there. Leeds at home. Matheus Nunes has Fulham at home. Bruno Fernandes, Mbuemo double up. Mbuemo did limp, so we have to see. ठीक है, but
He
expecting him
should
to
be.
be okay.
There's an ITK who said he should be fine. So yeah.
Should be fine. Rogers, Rice, Enzo, Haaland, Mbuemo. The bench is there. Anything you want to comment?
Yeah, just Thiago on the bench. So we all have, you, me, and Badiasa all have double Arsenal defense, and we have Thiago. It's not ideal, and especially let's say Bhatia साहब जैसे ट्रिपल कैप्टन कर रहे हैं, हम हमारी टीम पे आएंगे, हम कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे. But is it fine to play him? It's sort of a fixture where he actually can do well, but it still feels wrong, especially if you're captaining or triple captaining an Arsenal defender in Gabriel and then also playing Thiago. It's just one or the other, and I don't like it. So I personally like what Bhatia Saab has done. I'd probably bench Thiago as well, but I just want your opinion on it, because a lot of people have this dilemma.
Yeah, we'll come to our teams, but the only team I would bench Thiago against is Arsenal. That's my short
Yeah,
take on it,
exactly.
because I trust Arsenal defense a lot more than I trust किसी और team का defense in this league. They are defense first, especially away from home. They have kept quite a lot of clean sheets, especially away from home. They are more switched on away from home. I think कोई मेरे को major concern नहीं है, कोई ऐसी injuries नहीं है कि सलीबा नहीं है, गेब्रियल नहीं है, etc. I think they might be able to deal with him really well. I think Zaha Sadaman will score a goal. That's it. Probably 6-7 points, but it's fine. I think if you look at the rest of the team, then who would you actually play a bench in place of, let's say, Thiago?
Yeah.
By the way,
that's also-
Tarkovsky, Chalobah, we have to talk about them briefly because the DEFCONs are gone, especially for
Yeah.
Tarkovsky. जब से Keane आया वापस,
And
the clean
Chalobah.
sheets are also gone for both.
Yeah.
Clean sheets are gone for both.
Clean sheets is a big factor, right? कि clean
Yeah.
sheets नहीं आ रही हैं. Keane जब भी होता है, never. That's why early in the season I went for Keane over Tarkowski, because जब Keane होता है टीम में, Tarkowski is not the person who's going for tackles, who's going for interceptions, etc. That's why I'm asking you, because Leeds at home is not a good fixture for Chalobah. Bournemouth at home is not a good fixture. I'm not expecting
Bournemouth
clean
will
sheet
score,
for,
bro.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So maybe there's a situation where you can play Tarkowski, but it's not ideal.
No, you have to go with these defenders.
Yeah,
यार
you
देखो
have to
बोर्नमथ के
take a
अगेंस्ट
chance.
टारकोव्स्की के आने चाहिए डेफकॉन, एंड क्योंकि बोर्नमथ के अगेंस्ट सबके आते हैं, राइट, द वे दे प्ले,
Yeah.
fast and direct. And Leeds at home, you have to back Chelsea at home to do something. And Chalobah, I think, is better than Tarkovsky. Defcon
Yeah, also
anyway.
Tarkowski, Chalobah. I don't know about Chalobah, but Tarkowski definitely every alternate match he gets misses it. So big chance मिल सकती है to both the defenders and can score, but that's being hopeful.
It's fine this week. Longer term, maybe need to assess about these players probably.
Yeah.
I think it's fine.
Let's move on.
Okay, this is your team. You have not made a transfer, right, so far?
Yeah, I'm not planning to make a transfer. The only way I make a transfer is do O'Reilly to either Munoz, और because I want to get Ekitike and उसके लिए मुझे पैसे लेने पड़ेंगे, तो I might do O'Reilly to a Hill, but I'm not gonna make a transfer this week. I'm pretty settled. The question is about triple captaincy. If I'm captaining Gabriel, but 90% I'm gonna triple captain as well. I've not activated it, but I'll activate it very soon. The other dilemma I have is Dubravka versus Verbruggen. I think I'll play Verbruggen. I have attackers from both the teams they are facing, right? I have Sar against Dubravka and Rogers against Verbruggen. Dubravka might make more saves, but just about I am willing to go Verbruggen considering Villa अपने 2 home matches हारी है. I don't know. I don't know if that plays into mind or anything, but currently playing Verbruggen over Dubravka and benching Thiago. I think I'll bench Thiago. If not, I'm only gonna play him over O'Reilly. But yeah, not gonna make a transfer. It's pretty easy this week.
I would make a move if I was you, because firstly, I would play Thiago or O'Reilly. I have absolutely
Okay.
no confidence in O'Reilly and Man
Yeah,
City
same.
defensively.
Yeah.
Secondly, अगर मुझे वो नहीं भी खिलाना है, I'll make a move and get someone. And Munoz is staring right in the face. You have money to get Munoz?
I have, yeah, but that will
The kind of gains you will get from this one move over the next 4 or 5 matches is going to be
but
mad.
that will block me from getting any Liverpool next week. That's the thing, and I'm planning to get at least either words. So if I go Munoz, I won't be able to go Liverpool. That's the thing, and I want to go Liverpool, and I already have,
Okay. So
and
who do
I
you think
already
gets
have
more
six
points
play.
in the next 4 or 5 weeks, Munoz or Ekitike?
Next to Munoz, five
Next four
because
five.
if we are counting 31, I'll go.
No, I'm not
I'd
counting
say
31 because you can make moves before 31.
but I have 6 players who are blanking currently in 31. I also have to look at it. If I buy one more, it's going to be a 7th one. I have to also transfer them out as well. Then I'm counting hits as well. So that
Well, I
counts for
mean,
something.
I am totally fine. I think everyone should be totally fine to take a -4 for removing a non-playing player. It's essentially 2 points you have to cover up.
हाँ,
That's
but
it.
it's just if I need Munoz for I know next week भी बहुत अच्छा fixture है, उसके बाद भी Munoz is an insane option. I agree with you. It's just I'm tempted by Ekitike more. As you mentioned yesterday, he should have scored every match. He looks like the most likely goal scorer. And जो Liverpool के fixtures आ रहे हैं, I just feel like I want a Liverpool attacker more than I want a Munoz personally.
You can go like a Rice to Words as well if you want to.
No, I'm planning to, but I won't have money for a lot of things. I also have to upgrade Enzo. I have to change Rice. There are moves that I've planned, but unfortunately, O'Reilly to Munoz will lock every one of those moves because it will take money. Just to
Another move
upgrade.
जो आप कर सकते हो is remove Verbruggen and get a fucking keeper who can keep clean sheets like someone like Henderson. But आप फिर से बोलोगे कि मेरे को 31 के लिए प्लेयर नहीं है etc.
No, I have
इसमें तो इतना
Dubravka.
फर्क ही नहीं होगा.
नहीं Dubravka है ना. I can
हाँ
play
तो
31 with Dubravka.
Verbruggen to Henderson से आपको बहुत insane gains मिलेंगे over the next 4
That's
weeks.
actually a
You can get
move
a
I can
keeper.
consider. Yeah, that's a good
देखो, we
move.
just
Yeah.
have to accept some keepers are really shit, including my keeper and your keeper. Vicario, Dubravka not
Sir,
keeping not keeping a single clean
most of the
sheet.
goalkeepers are shit, sir.
Sir,
Most of the
Verbruggen
goalkeepers
has
are shit.
Brighton. They were booing Hertzler. They are 15th, I think, in the league now. They have won
Yeah,
one in the last 12. They are absolute garbage. He
I
might get
agree.
sacked, by
I
the way.
agree.
And
I
जो
agree.
भी आप कह लो विला के बारे में, they are not going to lose this match. To
Yeah,
Brighton.
no, and I
Brighton
expect
are a
them to score.
flaky team.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Actually, Verbruggen to Henderson is a good transfer.
Yep.
I'll consider that. Yeah.
Henderson might be also a little bit expensive, by the way. You have to check.
Then I'll check now who I can what adjustment do I have to make to afford that. But I'll check. But
Something
yeah,
like that.
mostly I'm not gonna make a move. And Thiago versus O'Reilly, I'll have to decide who I play if I don't make a
What
move.
about triple captaincy?
90% I'm going to activate it on Gabriel. I don't think we'll get a better double than this. उस time पे, as I mentioned earlier, क्या हो रहा होगा, क्या teams को क्या motivation होगी, because हम कितने players को रक्षित trust करते हैं, right? We trust Gabriel, we trust Bruno, and we trust Haaland. right? In terms of easier
I
fixture
don't trust Haaland.
with triple captaincy. So
He gave me 2 points with Leeds at home. I don't trust Haaland. Sorry.
it's my different experience, right?
Yeah.
So it's just I feel like I trust Gabriel, and the worst case scenario is what he gets 8-10 points. That's a very good scenario. I mean, I'm expecting him to keep one clean sheet, and if he keeps one clean sheet, it's gonna get 8, 10, 12 points. So it's pretty easy to triple captain him, get a very good safe-ish scenario, but upside be bahut if he scores a goal. And I'm expecting them to score at least 4 goals over the two fixtures. 100% he's gonna be my likely goal scorer for at least one goal. So yeah.
Fair enough. Anything else you want to add?
Sorry, just one more thing. 4 out of 5 goals he has scored have come in away matches. So again, if किसी को bias है home game की तरफ, I think Gabriel scored 4 goals out of 5 in away matches. We can move on. Yeah.
This is my team. Already, I have made one move. Xhaka to Sar. I want to cash in.
Let's go.
I have 31 in mind, but I just love Palace. I think it's a very good time to go on to Palace. They played well against Brighton. The monkeys off the back. I think they will win both the matches. Burnley and Wolves at home. I think they will be totally out of the danger. उसके बाद next 1-2 मैच मनन फोकस करेंगे लीग पे, then they can focus on the conference league. Absolutely no doubts on the team, the manager, the quality they have. It's no surprise that all these guys, Sar and Munoz, etc., have come back and they are better now. They've had a lot of players missing. Lacroix is playing. Only मैं team देख रहा था. Only player is the Guehi नहीं था वहाँ पे. That's it. तो उन्हें क्या longer term में affect करेगा? Yes, but do they need Guehi to keep clean sheets against Burnley and Wolves? That's what you need to answer. But I think Sar, Talisman, again मनन मतलब आपने बात कर लिया. Don't need to go too much into him. मेरे पास option थे Xhaka को हटा के any player I can get, right? I was looking at Semenyo, looking at City, right? But मैंने कहा I don't know. I'm looking at United. I'm not sure. कौन सा player था जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद था over the next 4 matches? Was Sar.
Yeah.
Was Sar for sure.
And I think it's still a great entry point, as you mentioned. Like
yeah, it is.
Burnley, Wolves, and I feel like people are not looking at the next two as well. उसके बाद भी ना, personally,
United, Tottenham, I think.
Yeah, both games उसको suit करते हैं. Just go and see the highlights of Brighton match. He's the one who is making all the runs over the top. सारी balls उसके लिए जा रही हैं. यही होना है in those two fixtures as well, Tottenham and United. I just feel like Sar is an inch, and say Munoz. Both are a very good pick, and if you can manage in जैसे मैंने मेरी टीम में बोला I have 6 players, so I won't be able to manage. But if you can manage, you can still get in.
Yeah. So if you currently look at my team, I have triple Arsenal, I have Sar and Munoz. So I have 5 players in my team.
You don't have City,
I don't have any City. ठीक है, उसके ऊपर बाद में आएंगे. You can have players from like a lot of teams, but if you suddenly look at my team, you'll be like, I already have Ekitike. ठीक है, I have Bowen, who's my differential. I have faith in him. I think he'll continue to do really well. Thiago, longer term, I'm fine. जैसे मैंने आपको मनन बताया, ND I have to monitor. I'll give him one more week this week.
You don't even have to play him after this week, na? Thiago is gonna come in.
Exactly.
You can just bench
I have
him.
Thiago in my team. Bowen, Thiago, NDI में से I can keep like rotating. Anyways.
Yeah.
I'm also going to do triple captaincy, 99%. Manan मतलब as you mentioned कि top assets in the game हमारे हिसाब से Gabriel is one of them.
Yeah.
If you look at back-to-back matches में कितने matches में Arsenal की clean sheet नहीं आई है? Like how many batches of consecutive fixtures can you find जिसमें नहीं आई है? दोनों में नहीं आई है. Hardly.
Yeah.
और वो भी पैच में ना Gabriel नहीं होगा टीम में. Mostly.
Yeah.
So I am expecting 1 clean sheet minimum. उसके ऊपर ठीक है मैं फिर भी थोड़ा bonus मांगूंगा. He's due a goal now. It's been a while. He's due a goal.
It's been a while, yeah.
Yeah. Most important difference. People are talking about why do I want to, triple captain a defender, right? The most important reason is DEFCONs इस season है जो last season नहीं थे. So अगर Gabriel को दोस्तों इस season दोनों matches में DEFCON मिलते हैं, that's additional 4 points.
Yeah.
Which you would not have gotten in the previous seasons. Plus, Gabriel is not an ordinary defender. He's Gabriel. Arsenal are not normal team. They're set piece FC. They are, right? They focus on set pieces. And with them being like one of the best ever, मैं तो बोलूँगा, defensive teams in the Premier League, at least over the last 10-15 years, you will never get a better chance to get like multiple clean sheets also. Right? So I just feel stars are aligned. something catastrophic has to happen, like injury हो गई and all. You can't just say anything उसके बाद.
And again,
But I think there is no reason to doubt Gabriel in this.
let me
in a
also
double game week.
remind people he's the 4th highest point scorer, and he has missed half of the matches this season. Like
He missed like
that's
4, 5, 6 matches,
bonkers.
man.
That's bonk. And जब आप बोल रहे हो कि again जब मैं safe side की बात करता था, I forgot to mention कि अगर आप odds की भी बात करो ना, to get one clean sheet, it's 70% chance of one clean sheet at least. So that's a great, like, what अगर मैं आपको बोलूं रक्षित 70% chance Gabriel is getting a clean sheet, that's a clean sheet. So
You take that odds,
so
yeah.
the ceiling is the flow. I mean, the safer side is getting around 8 to 10 points. That's the safer side. I don't think any other player in the league can guarantee you that personally.
And I think one of the best part is Gabriel की floor और ceiling दोनों high हैं.
Exactly. So I think it's for me personally, it's a no-brainer. I just only एक ही है कि this is the first time you, me, and Bhatia Saab are going to triple captain the same player. So
Injured Igor Thiago will break Gabriel's leg in the first 5 minutes or something. This shit will happen. But yeah, अभी मैंने कैप्टेंसी किया, but most likely ट्रिपल कैप्टेंसी है. उसके बाद देखा जाएगा. Let's see. उसके बाद वंस अगेन दोस्तों टेलीग्राम चैनल आप ज्वाइन करना. विल कीप इट शॉर्ट बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है, बट लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड पिन कमेंट एज वेल. एंड जाने से पहले इट विल रियली हेल्प अस आउट इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो. कमेंट करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर गेम वीक 26. वी विल सी यू वेरी वेरी सून. Cheers guys.
Cheers.